Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a viral talking AI avatar for YouTube automations or faceless content or even your business. Okay, let's get started. First, we need a great looking avatar, but to create the perfect avatar, we need a great prompt. So we will start by optimizing the prompt using ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you craft a unique and clear prompt for the style that you want. For example, for realistic, cartoon, anime, or anything that you like. And then, for example, I already had a basic prompt like this. And I asked GPT to improve it, and this is the final result. And it even recommended a style and vibe for the image. Now just go to Leonardo AI. And then just tap on image generations and then paste your prompt. And then just choose the model preset. I will choose this one. And then choose the style. And adjust the image size. And also the number of the result that you want. Then just hit generate. And okay, once your result is ready, just pick your favorite image and download it in high quality. Next, let's create the voice script. Open ChatGPT again. And then just give it your topic. Maybe like motivation, health tips, or trending facts, just with your channel. And then ask for a short, natural sounding script around 100 to 150 words. Or if you already have a draft, you can ask GPT to optimize it like this. And you can also request a specific tone, like a friendly, professional, casual, or even humorous. And you can also ask ChatGPT to generate a gesture or expressions prompt for your avatar. Now just head over to HeyGen AI. Open your browser and then just tap on avatar video. Upload the avatar image that you made with Leonardo AI. Like this, and then just paste your script. Select your voice styles.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life. Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings. Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings out.
Hey there, here's how
I will choose this one, and then just paste your gesture prompt. Then just hit generate. And just wait for the process. And okay, let's play the video.
Welcome to the future, where smart tools, game-changing AI, and powerful tech tutorials ignite your next big idea.
And see, HeyGen will automatically generate a video with a lip sync and realistic facial expressions in just a few clicks, and your talking AI avatar is ready. Next step, just download your video and do some light editing if needed, like add subtitles or music using CapCut or Canva. Then just upload it to your social media. And okay, that's how you create a viral talking AI avatar video using just Leonardo AI, ChatGPT, and HeyGen. No camera, no mic, no fancy gear, just smart tool and creativity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.